What's up guys, Dylan here. Today we are going to be making pasta. So all you need is garlic, oregano, and seasoned salt, chicken, and tomatoes. Of course you also need the pasta. This thing, the big long ones, I don't know what they're called.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. And then we're also boiling this water. There, just this, make you see it. We're also boiling that water for the pasta. So first, we're gonna chop the tomatoes.
Aren't you supposed to season the chicken?
Sorry. So you first put in the oregano, right?
No. Yeah, sure. Whatever order.
Okay.
So season the...
Then we add the seasoned salt. We're gonna massage it and just massage it. Oh, thanks mom for asking for 6 minutes. That was my monitor's hat. Okay, so then after we're done mixing the chicken, you're going to slice it. Make sure you slice it into small pieces. So then, I'm also gonna, my mom slicing the garlic. I'm gonna help around with the kitchen. Guys, so the water's already boiling, as you can see. So my mom will,
Already put the salt.
Put the salt and that. Okay, so what we need to do is we just stir that. Now we're gonna slice the tomatoes. They're already ready. So first you get it on the middle and you slice across. Then you go from the bottom and slice like that. Then you go that, and then like that. And then just keep on going, like this. Like so. See? Boiling, so shouldn't turn it off. And then we'll just let it cook and okay, so today, since the oil is there, we are going to add
And then since your pasta's out already.
Yeah, since the pasta's out, we're gonna put the garlic. Ready? Go. Okay, so the garlic is already sizzling. So that means we're gonna wait for it to make a golden brown color. So then we're just gonna, Mom, do we put on the pan? The cup? We're just gonna wait to sizzle. Use it and we'll just wait for it then. Okay, so now that the garlic's browning, we're gonna put in the chicken. Ready? Slowly. Chicken's cooking, we'll add half the tomatoes.
Put a lot in.
So what's that you're putting there?
Looks like basil leaves. Time to mix this up now. Okay, so now that the pasta's in, we can add the rest of the remaining chicken. And the half of the tomatoes. Well, the first tomato batch was just to like add a bit of flavor on the bottom. And like for all sides.
We add the rest of the pasta before you mix.
Okay, so my mom is pouring the pasta now. So since I can't do it and it's too heavy, my mom will be helping me a little bit. Okay, so now that the pasta's ready, serve and enjoy. Now for the final touch, we put basil in the middle and there. Okay, so now I'm gonna taste the pasta. So good. So good.